Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa, and today we're going to learn 50 useful phone conversation sentences. These sentences are short, natural, and easy to use. You can use them in work calls, friendly chats, or even when booking an appointment. First, I'll say each sentence. Then I'll explain what it means and when to use it. Finally, I'll give you one or two examples so you can practice. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here is the first easy sentence. Hello, this is Jenifa speaking. This is used at the beginning of a phone call. Examples. Hello, this is Jenifa speaking. I'm calling from Learn and Success. Or hello, this is Jenifa speaking. How may I assist you today? Here is the next one. Hi, may I speak to Sarah, please? We use this when someone else answers the phone and you want to talk to another person. Examples. Hi, may I speak to Sarah, please? It's Jenifa calling. Or hi, may I speak to Mr. Wilson, please? I have a question about my order. Here is the next sentence. Good morning. How can I help you? This is used when you answer the phone at work or in a business setting. Examples. Good morning, how can I help you today? Good morning. How can I help you with your booking? Next sentence. Is this a good time to talk? We use this when we're not sure if the other person is busy. Examples. Hey, is this a good time to talk about the report? Or, hi, is this a good time to talk? Or should I call later? Next one. I'm calling about our meeting tomorrow. This clearly explains the reason for your call. Examples. Hi, James. I'm calling about our meeting tomorrow. Are we still on? Hello. I'm calling about our meeting tomorrow morning. Can we move it to the afternoon? Next sentence. I just wanted to check in with you. This means you're calling to follow up or see how someone is doing. Examples. Hey, I just wanted to check in with you and see how the project is going. I just wanted to check in with you after your surgery. How are you feeling? Next one. Can you hear me okay? We use this when the sound is unclear. Examples. Hello. Can you hear me okay? You're breaking up a bit. Can you hear me okay now? I moved to a quieter place. Next sentence. Sorry, I think we have a bad connection. This means the call quality is poor. Examples. Sorry, I think we have a bad connection. You're cutting in and out. I can't hear you clearly. I think we have a bad connection. Next one. Thanks for getting back to me. We use this when someone returns your call or message. Examples. Hi, Anna. Thanks for getting back to me so quickly. Thanks for getting back to me. I appreciate your time. Next sentence. I hope I'm not calling at a bad time. This is a polite way to check if the person is free. Examples. Hi, I hope I'm not calling at a bad time. Do you have a minute? I hope I'm not calling at a bad time. I just had a quick question. Next one. Sorry, could you say that again? We use this when we miss something. Examples. Sorry, could you say that again? The line cut out. Sorry, could you say that again? I didn't catch the last part. Next sentence. Can you speak a bit more slowly? We use this when someone is talking too fast. Examples. Can you speak a bit more slowly, please? I'm taking notes. Sorry, can you speak a bit more slowly? It's hard to hear. Next one. I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? This also means you didn't hear clearly. Examples. I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it one more time? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Was that your address? Next sentence. Let me make sure I understood you correctly. We use this to confirm important details. Examples. Let me make sure I understood you correctly. The meeting is at 2 p.m. on Zoom, right? Let me make sure I understood you. You said the report is due on Friday. Next one. Can I take a message for you? We use this when the person is unavailable. Examples. Sorry, Jake isn't here right now. Can I take a message for you? She's in a meeting. Can I take a message for you? Next sentence. Would you like to leave a message? This gives the caller a chance to leave information. Examples: she's out of the office? Would you like to leave a message? Would you like to leave a message or try again later? Next one. I'll let her know you called. This means you'll pass the message. Examples: okay, I'll let her know you called. What's the best number to reach you? I'll let her know you called this morning. Next sentence. Please ask him to call me back. This means you want a return call. Examples: could you please ask him to call me back when he's done? I missed his call. Please ask him to call me back. Next one. Can I leave a message for Mr. Smith? We use this when someone isn't available. Examples: can I leave a message for Mr. Smith? Just let him know I called. He's in a meeting. Can I leave a message for him? Next sentence. Sorry, you're breaking up. This means the sound is cutting in and out. Examples: sorry, you're breaking up. Can you repeat that? I think you're breaking up a bit. Are you in a tunnel? Next one. Can you hear me now? We use this after fixing the connection. Examples: can you hear me now? I just stepped outside. Hello, can you hear me now? Or is it still bad? Next sentence. I missed that. What did you say? This is used when you miss a small part. Examples: sorry, I missed that. What did you say after 3? I missed that. Was it Thursday or Friday? Next one. Could you say that again a bit slower? This is polite and clear. Examples: could you say that again a bit slower? I didn't catch the name. Could you say that again a bit slower? It's noisy on my end. Next sentence. Let me read that back to you. We use this to confirm numbers or details. Examples. Let me read that back to you. 07453, last 4 digits 6610, right? Let me read that back to you. Your address is 12 Green Hill Road, right? Next one. All right, I'll let you go. This is a polite way to end a call. Example: sounds good. I'll let you go. Talk soon. All right, I'll let you go. Thanks for the chat. Next sentence. Thanks for calling. Used at the end of calls. Examples: great. Thanks for calling. See you tomorrow. Thanks for calling, John. Have a good night. Next one. Talk to you later. This is casual and friendly. Example: I'll check in tomorrow. Talk to you later. Next sentence. Let me know if anything changes. Used when plans might change. Examples: we're set for 3 p.m. Let me know if anything changes. I'll see you there. Just let me know if anything changes. Next one. Take care. A warm way to say goodbye. Next sentence. I can't talk right now. Can I call you back? Used when you're busy. Examples: I can't talk right now. Can I call you back in a bit? Sorry, I'm in the middle of something. Can I call you back? Next one. Can you give me 10 minutes? Used when you need a short delay. Examples: I'm just finishing something. Can you give me 10 minutes? Not a good time right now. Can you give me 10 minutes? Next sentence. Let's talk a bit later. This is friendly and flexible. Examples: I'm out right now. Let's talk a bit later. Let's talk a bit later. I'm heading into a meeting. Next one. I'll call you as soon as I can. This promises a callback. Examples: sorry, I'll call you as soon as I can. I'm a bit tied up, but I'll call you as soon as I can. Next sentence. Mind texting me instead? Used when calling isn't possible. Examples: I'm in class. Mind texting me instead? Can't talk right now. Mind texting me instead. Next one. Can I just check your phone number? Used to confirm contact details. Examples: can I just check your phone number? I have 07892, right? Before I hang up, can I just check your number again? Next sentence. Could you spell that for me? Used for names or emails. Examples: could you spell that for me? Is that with an I or a Y? Could you spell your email for me, please? Next one, just checking in to see if you got my message. Use for follow-ups. Example, just checking in. Did you get the file I sent yesterday? Next sentence, any update on that? Used when waiting for news. Examples, any update on the document we discussed? Any update on the travel plans? Next one, I'll follow up with you tomorrow. Shows responsibility. Example, I'll follow up with you tomorrow after the meeting. Next sentence, I tried calling earlier but couldn't get through. Used after a missed attempt. Final sentence, sorry, I missed your call. Short and polite. Example, sorry, I missed your call. I was in a meeting. And that's it, about 50 real sentences for real phone conversations. From starting a call to ending it naturally, these are phrases people use every day at work and in life. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep improving. I'm Jenifa, and this is Learn and Success. Until next time, take care, talk soon, and keep believing in yourself.